According to the health district, the swine flu, or H1N1, is hitting our region early, and it's hitting hard. 25 states are reporting cases of the flu, H1N1, the most common strain, and 6 children have died from the flu since September. KXLY4's Colleen O'Brien working for you with more on the rising death toll of this year's flu. Colleen?
And we're talking about Spokane County, Nadine. Eastern Washington has seen 3 deaths from the flu this year. And of those deaths, 2 of those were men in their 40s. Still shocking. They had underlying health issues, but it's still shocking as flu deaths normally just hit the elderly and the very young.
Fever, chills, body aches, a sudden onset. Classic symptoms of the virus nobody wants to catch.
The common denominator with the flu is feeling bad all over.
There are now 77 confirmed cases of the flu in Eastern Washington. This time last year, that number was only 11. Of those 77, 3 have died.
Every week, we are doubling the number of cases we're seeing.
Dr. Roger Hansen at Providence Urgent Care is keeping busy with flu cases.
We can now do screening for influenza with a simple nose swab and have the answer back immediately.
And it's important to get tested if you suspect flu. The virus can lead to other complications.
Pneumonia, it can lead to sinus and ear infections, and it can give you a post-viral syndrome that can give you a bronchitis that can last up to 6 weeks.
Testing has also helped reveal that the H1N1 or swine flu strain is dominant this season. The vaccine being given now includes H1N1, and there is no shortage in vaccines.
It's never too late to get vaccinated. In fact, if you get vaccinated a week before the flu, your flu symptoms will be less.
Vaccines can't give you the flu, but there's also no guarantee you won't still get the flu after being vaccinated.
The flu is very contagious. It's out there. You can run, but you can't hide.
And if the flu catches up with you, Providence recommends an urgent care clinic. You can get in and out of those in under an hour. ER visits can take hours.
And the swine flu, or H1N1 strain that's dominant right now, it created a pandemic in 2009. Right now, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention lists the H1N1 or flu in our area as just widespread. And Nadine, flu season, it typically peaks in February. So this amount of flu cases this early on in January is surprising to the health district.
Yeah, it sounds like it, Colleen. So what if someone wants to get vaccinated but just can't afford it?
Right, it might be a deterrent, the cost of a vaccine, but the health district does have a number of locations listed that have no or low cost vaccines for you. We have put a list of those clinics on our website, KXLY.com. Just click on Newslink.